Now today we will solve example number 2 on capital structure. Yesterday we have seen example number 1 and I hope you have understood that example. Now example number 2 is in front of your screen. I will just check out the details. Now company requires the funds of rupees 5 lakhs and for which three different financing options are given in the example. We will first find out the three financing options. Check out option number 1, issue of 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So here option 1 is what? By way of equity. That is a issue of 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So amount will be 5 lakhs. So under the first option, entire 5 lakhs will be raised by way of 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Option number 2. Option number 2 is given issue of 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and remaining amount by way of 2,500 debentures of rupees 100 each. So in option 2 there are the two capital sources are used. One is 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So under option 2 equity capital will be rupees 2,50,000, that is 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So equity capital will be 2,50,000. Remaining amount 2,500 debentures of rupees 100 each at 14% rate of interest. So second will be 14% debentures. How much will be the amount? 2,500 debentures of rupees 100 each. So 2,500 multiplied by 100. So debenture capital will be 2,50,000. So total amount will be 5 lakhs. So check out option 2. 2,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and 2,50,000 by way of 14% debentures. Now option 3. In option 3, it is mentioned that issue of 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So again 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So equity capital will be 2,50,000 and the balance through 10% preference shares. So how much balance is there? 2,50,000. That will be by way of 10% preference shares. So here 10% preference shares will be 2,50,000, total 5 lakhs. Now once again check out in all the options the amount will be raised rupees 5 lakhs each. The first option entire 5 lakhs will be by way of equity capital of rupees 10 each. Option number 2, out of 5 lakhs 2,50,000 will be by way of equity capital of rupees 10 each and remaining 2,50,000 will be by way of 14% debentures. And option 3, out of 5 lakhs rupees 2,50,000 will be by way of equity of rupees 10 each and remaining 2,50,000 will be by way of 10% preference shares. So now we will solve this example. The second thing what we require is the amount of EBIT which is given in the example rupees 60,000. So EBIT 60,000. Under all the options EBIT amount will be rupees 60,000. Next, what is next? Less interest. Now interest will come only in the second option because only in the second option there is a 14% debentures. So first option nil, second option 14% of 2,50,000, that comes to 35,000. You can check out with the calculator. 14% of 2,50,000, that comes to 35,000. In option number 3 there is no debenture, so interest will be again 0. So next is EBT. So EBT will be 60,000 first option, second option 25,000 and third option again 60,000. Next, what is next? Next we have to deduct tax. This is the format we are following. EBIT minus interest is equal to EBT. EBT minus tax is equal to earning after tax. Earning after tax minus preference dividend is equal to earning available to equity shareholders, and earning available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares is EPS. So here tax. Tax rate is given in the example 50%. So 50% tax on earnings before tax. So 50% of 60,000, that comes to 30,000. Here 50% of 25,000, that comes to 12,500. And here again 50% of 60,000, that is 30,000. So earnings after tax, first option 30,000, second option 12,500, third option again 30,000. So this is what we got, earnings after tax. Now after that, what we have to deduct? Preference dividend. Because EPS is equal to earnings after tax minus preference dividend divided by number of equity shares. So preference dividend. Now preference dividend will come under which option? Only in 3. Because in the first option, entirely 5 lakhs by way of equity capital. In option 2, 5 lakhs, 2,50,000 equity and 2,50,000 is 14% debentures. And option 3, 2,50,000 equity and 2,50,000 by way of 10% preference shares. So preference dividend will come only in option 3. So option 3, how much is the preference capital? 2,50,000. Dividend rate 10%. So preference dividend will be 10% of 2,50,000, that is rupees 25,000. Now we will get earnings available to equity shareholders, that is earning after tax minus preference dividend. That comes to option 1 30,000, option 2 12,500 and option 3 5,000. That is 30,000 divided by 30,000 minus 25,000. So what next is number of equity shares. Now check out the number of equity shares. Option 1. How much is equity capital? 5 lakhs. Each share is of rupees 10 each. So number of equity shares will be 50,000. Check out option 2. Equity capital is rupees 2,50,000. Each share is of rupees 10 each. So number of equity shares 2,50,000 divided by 10. So number of equity shares will be 25,000. Now option 3. Equity capital 2,50,000. Each share is of rupees 10 each. So number of equity shares is equal to 2,50,000 divided by 10, that is 25,000. Now next is EPS. How to calculate EPS? Earnings available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. So under option 1, 30,000 divided by 50,000, that comes to 0.6. That means 60 paisa. Option 2, 12,500 divided by 25,000, that comes to 0.5 means 50 paisa earning per share. And now option 3, 5,000 divided by 25,000, that comes to 0.2, it means 20 paisa. So here EPS under all the 3 options, option 1 60 paisa, option 2 50 paisa and option 3 20 paisa. Now what is our objective? To maximize the wealth of equity shareholders. And wealth is measured in terms of EPS. So we will select that financing option where the EPS is highest. And among all these 3 options, highest EPS is in option 1, that is 0.6. So we will select this financing option. We will suggest to the company that this first option is beneficial from equity shareholders point of view among all the 3 options. So this is our final answer. Okay, thank you.